Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable developer mode in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your settings. Now click on System. Now scroll down. Here you can see for developers. You have to click on it. Now here you can see developer mode. You have to turn on this button and click on yes. So this is how you can enable developer mode in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.